This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Coleweight module is installed and the version matches your toolchain. This avoids format mismatches later. Once done, open the map and immediately export a backup so you can revert if needed. Next, set the global weight scale, typical range 0, 5 to 2, 0, and choose a default tolerance to control waypoint snapping. Make sure to enable ordered mode now. That establishes the index sequence you will edit in the next steps. You now assemble the ordered list. Insert waypoints sequentially and assign indices so the engine reads your intended route. As you add points, tweak each Coleweight value, use 1 decimal precision like 0. 1 for subtle influence, higher weights pull path flow more strongly. Once several points exist, run the preview to visualize transitions and density. This highlights abrupt turns or clustering. If a segment looks wrong, modify adjacent weights or index spacing, because small changes propagate through the ordered algorithm. Finish by running a final simulation to ensure continuity and performance, then export the ordered waypoint set to the CWPT format for deployment. Lock indices and weights to prevent accidental edits, and write a short commit note describing scale and tolerance choices so others can reproduce results. If the path unexpectedly skips or jitter appears, reduce your tolerance setting or normalize extreme weights. That usually corrects discontinuities. If problems persist, revert to your back and iterate with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.